Socializing 68. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the behavior of some who always strive to extract their full rights and more from others. In this day and age, due to ignorance, it has become more difficult to fulfill the rights of people, such as one's parents. Even though a Muslim has no excuse but to strive to fulfill them, it is important for Muslims to be merciful with each other. As advised by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6655, Allah, the Exalted, shows mercy to those who are merciful to others. One aspect of this mercy is for a Muslim not to demand their full rights from others. Instead, they should use the means such as their physical or financial strength to help themselves and make things easy for others. In some cases, when a Muslim demands their full rights from others and they fail to fulfill them, it may lead to their punishment. In order to be merciful to others, they should therefore only demand their rights in some cases. This does not mean a Muslim should not strive to fulfill the rights of others, but it means they should try to overlook and excuse the people they have rights over. For example, a parent can excuse their adult child from a particular house chore and do it themselves if they possess the means to do so without troubling themselves, especially if their child returns home from work exhausted. This leniency and mercy will not only cause Allah, the Exalted, to be more merciful to them, but it will also increase the love and respect people have for them. The one who always demands their full rights is not a sinner, but they will lose out on this reward and outcome if they behave in this manner. Muslims should make things easy for others and hope Allah, the Exalted, will make things easy for them in this world and in the next. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.